What if one magical pencil could change your whole life?
Meet Alex, a kind boy who loved drawing more than anything. One day, he discovered an old glowing pencil hidden behind dusty books. The moment he touched it, something incredible happened. He drew a bright red apple. Suddenly, the apple became real.
Alex couldn't believe his eyes.
He drew toys and delicious cakes. Every drawing became real. But every wish made the pencil a little dimmer. Alex became worried.
Then he saw children who had no books.
Alex decided to help them.
He drew beautiful new books. Every child received a book. The pencil began glowing again.
Kindness made the magic stronger.
Alex drew food for hungry families.
Everyone smiled with joy.
An old wise teacher appeared. He smiled and said,
Alex, look within yourself. The real magic is your kind heart.
The pencil had finished its mission. It slowly disappeared.
But Alex had learned the greatest lesson. Hard work creates real success. Kindness changes lives. Knowledge is the greatest treasure. Every dream begins with one small step.
Remember, the greatest magic is kindness, learning, and hard work. Subscribe to Easy English Studio for more inspiring stories.